Welcome to Photoshop Lab. First, let's add a threshold adjustment layer. Set the slider based on your perspective. You can always edit this later. Add a gradient map. Set the color setting that you prefer, but you can copy my setting if you want. Then add a new layer. Copy the color of the background, then use brush tool. Add your texts. Flatten layers, then convert it into smart object. Go to filter gallery, select texturizer and film grain. Edit the sliders based on your perspective. If you're happy, hit OK. And that's it. Once again, thank you so much.